Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto from time to time. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Well, today we're going to talk about Tesla stock because it was pretty hot today. Tesla posts stronger than expected delivery numbers for Q2. And with that, Tesla shares rose over 9.9% on the day. AMD shares rose. Apple shares rose. Amazon shares rose for an exciting day in the stock market. Okay, so Tesla shares rose, as I said, 9%, 9.9% in regular hours. And then AMD shares rose 4.1%. So that's the other AI chip maker. Apple shares continue to surge 1.31%, and Amazon shares surged 1.39%. Okay, so again, these were some of the top stocks in my portfolio. As you can recognize, this is some of the magna stocks such as Tesla and Amazon and Apple. The mega cap stocks continue to surprise as we approach earnings call. Tesla with the amount of cars they delivered for the quarter, and Amazon continues to prove out to be one of the better super mega cap stocks. Let's go over to the news. Okay, here we are on CNBC, and we're after hours right now, but we can look at the news here. Some of the top news: how 1,000 Americans got caught in fintech's false promises and lost access to bank accounts. Okay, so nearly $109 million fintech customers' deposits vanished. Okay, so that's pretty tough. The Fed, Powell says, made progress on inflation, needs more confidence before cutting. So that helped boost the market today. And of course, the main news was Tesla shares rose after automotive delivered over 444,000 vehicles. Okay, so that was the big news today. Let's go over to my Robinhood. Okay, here it is. You can see Tesla shares surge over 10% today, 10.19% today. Look at it rocket up today and maintain after. So it was a great day, and Tesla again rocket up over 10% on the day. Tesla shares gain over 10.19% on the day on better than expected car deliveries, surging from 200 some odd dollars to $230. Okay, so a little over $206 up to $231 to end the day. Excellent news for Tesla. And real quick, just to look at the article, here it is on I think it's CNBC. Okay, here it is. The update. It says Tesla posted in second quarter vehicle production deliveries report for 2024 Q2 reported it produced 410,000 vehicles and also delivered 443,000. Deliveries are closest to approximation of sales disclosed by the electric vehicle maker. Tesla's deliveries beat Wall Street estimates, but the total number was still down 4.8% from a year earlier. Okay, so that's what made Tesla's stock today rise over 10% after they beat Wall Street expectations, estimates of vehicle deliveries and vehicles produced. Okay, so let's go over to the Robinhood one more time. Okay, today the overall Robinhood portfolio was up 1.43% for the gain of $46. As we mentioned, Tesla was a big part of that. Tesla being up over 10%, pushed the portfolio up over 1.43% on the day for an overall gain of 46 bucks. Again, Tesla was the top shares today in this portfolio, with a lot of momentum. And there's a couple other ones, as I mentioned earlier. Apple was up 1.23%. And what else do we have here? Domo was up 2.5. Okay, so it looks like Tesla was the best stock, up 10% on the day. There's a few other stocks are up 3 Lucid was up 3.41 and Rivian was up 6.9. So some of the other EV makers were up as well, on just some of the momentum that Tesla had today. Again, Tesla meeting marks with deliveries higher than Wall Street estimated. And again, the earnings call for Tesla is at the end of the month. Okay, so we're looking at a Q2 earnings call at the end of July, where we get all the numbers and details. And then in August, next month, we actually have another Tesla event day. And I believe that'll be about the robo taxi and other products Elon Musk wants to announce. Okay, so in August, there'll be another Investors Day. And again, remember, we have the pay package behind us. Elon Musk should get his $46 billion. And again, with that all behind him and the job cuts, it looks like Elon is ready to focus. Okay, so let's look at my other portfolio for some final details of gains in the market. Okay, as I mentioned, Tesla shares up over 10.1% today for a gain of $1,000. Again, top stock in my portfolio, Advanced Micro Devices or AMD, was up 4.31 for a gain of $115. Amazon shares continue to surge, again breaking that $200 per share mark, up 1.43%. And Apple shares up 1.21% for a gain of $26 in its portfolio. So some of my tech is doing great again today as Tesla leads the way. A couple other good stocks was Visa was up 1.77%. And good to see SoFi shares up slightly today. Again, they do report at the end of the month. Just like many of these other tech companies, they report at the end of the month. So SoFi shares did hold on today, up 0.31%. All right, so that was good news there. And now let's look at the losers for today. I know Nvidia was down. Okay, Nvidia was down slightly today, 1.78%. Okta was down 1.5. ConocoPhillips, one of the oil or energy stocks, was down 0.45. And Nucor, a steel maker, was down slightly today, 0.38. So those could have been some opportunities. I know energy is still a place you might want to look into as the market rotates. This bull run may have just gotten started. Okay, so again, ConocoPhillips and other energy makers such as Chevron, Exxon may be a play to make as the bull market of the stock market restarts with companies like Tesla, Nvidia, and I'm believing that pretty soon, just like we got the signal from Jerome Powell that the rate cut is coming soon, and that should bust wide open the economy and cause some stocks, some assets to surge. Okay. All right. But again, today's downers was ConocoPhillips down slightly 0.45, Aero Environment down 2.3, and Nvidia down slightly, trading just around $122 per share. Not down much for the last couple of days. It's kind of been steady, down around 119, I believe, on Friday. And remember, tomorrow's a half a day of trading because the holiday is 4th of July. All right. But the top stock today, Tesla up over 10%. Great news on vehicle deliveries. So that's about it. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. again, I want to thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And have a happy 4th of July. And we'll see you next week.